Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset color settings on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for settings. Once you search for settings, just click on open. And then in this part, we're going to look for display. So just go into system and then click display. After that, in this part, just scroll down until you see advanced display. And then click on Display Adapter Properties. Now, if you're now in this part, what we're going to do next is to go to Color Management and then click Color Management. After that, in this part, we're going to click on Advanced. And then in this part, you will see this Change System Defaults. So click on that. And then once you're now here, we're just going to go again on the Advanced section. And then you will see this Use Windows Display Calibration. Once you check that, just click on Close, and then just restart your PC, and then once you do that, that should fix your problem.